Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the language on Realme Book Prime 13. And to do this we'll need to open our Windows settings. You can do that by clicking on the Start button and going through the settings. They should be pinned right here. Now when you're ready you can go for the time and language. Then language and region. Here you'll find all of the languages that are saved on your laptop, and in this case I have English and Polish. If you want to add additional languages, then simply click on add a language, find whichever language you like and add it and download the packages from the list. When you're ready, then it should appear somewhere around here. Move it as a first option, like I have the English right there, and then change the Windows display language to your preferred one by clicking on this list. Now when it's set, we're not done yet because we need to change additional options like country or region. I would recommend to set it as your preferred language as well. Then go for the administrative language settings and formats. Inside you'll find format and change it to also this same language, but by default it should match the display language of your Windows, and that way your system should change the language. Only thing left to do is to reset your laptop and you'll see the difference. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.